Much love, family, and welcome back. Today is wash day and I am using my shampoo brush. This will be my first time. I showed you guys I had this in my products video, and I've also used it on my daughter's natural hair a couple of times. So I'll let you guys know how it went for us and get into all of that. So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get on into this thing. It has been about a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's been about 2 weeks since I washed, and it's really hot here, 90 degrees at least, almost every day. And so I'm just taking out my lock jewelry so my hair can definitely use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that thing a try. This is what I'm looking like. Just give you a quick little view. Now you guys do know that I have retwisted my front. I think it was 3 weeks, a month ago maybe. I just retwisted my little front here just for a refresher. The back hasn't been retwisted, and whenever my cats are knocking something over. Whenever the last video I did about retwisting, that was my last retwist. I am out, and that felt really good. I did like it. The bristles, I have seen some where they bend a little bit more. I think the one I have is a little bit more firm. So if you are rough with it, you're going to feel it. So, just be mindful of that. But I really liked it. I like how it did. I feel like my scalp is clean, and I will definitely be using it more. You guys know I like scalp massages for growth and just really for the health of your hair, and it just feels so amazing. So I definitely will be using it again. I'm just kind of standing here separating my hair. I am not going to put anything else on it. No rose water, no oils, no nothing. It feels really good, and I don't need anything on there, so I'm not going to. The shampoo I used, if you're curious, is this Tea Tree Tingle still. I'm still on that. I have that much left. Me and both of my children have been using it. So, and you guys know I like to use one and then either buy another one or continue on to something else. So, I'm feeling good. I give it a thumbs up. So this is me trying it on my daughter. Like I said, she was the first to use it. We've since done this, used the shampoo brush 2 times on her hair. Since then, I was just filming the first time we tried it. And generally, we're doing her hair outside of the shower because it's just so thick. And I really need to pay attention to her scalp because she gets buildup. So we usually start it outside of the shower with me wetting the roots and the scalp. And then I'll do a scalp massage sometimes with our sea salt mix. I'll link above to that. But this time I just wanted to try the brush since it was our first time. So I'm just using some of that Tea Tree Tingle. And then I'm going in with the brush, making sure I'm asking her, is it okay, the pressure I'm using? Sometimes her scalp is very sensitive. I do not want to call her a tender head, but she can have a sensitive scalp to like pulling and anything like that. So imagine how it was when we combed out her locks. I will link above to that as well. That was a interesting process. But anywho, so we liked it. It will definitely be part of her regimen. She's saying how it felt here. She enjoyed it. and she feels like it did, you know, she feels like her scalp feels good and everything. So I just wanted to show some close-ups here and see how clean the scalp is and everything. This is straight out of the shower. We have not used any products just yet. I just wanted to show fresh out of the shower. So that is it. We both are adding it to our regimen. I do recommend, there's a few different kind, like I said. So, you know, make sure you get the kind you want. There's kind with a little bit more prickly bristles than we have, and softer and whatnot. So anyways, definitely let me know what you think down below, or if you have any questions or comments. And I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you in another few days. All right, bye.